Hello, I'm Ashley with SWWC, and welcome to the next video in the Canva series, Canva Videos. Canva Video looks similar at a first glance, but the moment you start building a video design, you realize it works differently than the normal Canva design. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how video, audio, and layers work so you can confidently build simple classroom videos without getting lost in the timeline. In a regular Canva design, everything is about where things sit on the page. In Canva videos, we still have layers and think about how things sit on the page, but we also have time. Down here is the timeline, and this changes how we think from where does this go to when this shows up and for how long. So every element has two jobs: a visual layer showing what's on top of what, and a timing layer when different things appear. So let's start by opening a Canva video project. I'll choose a simple blank video so that we can build from scratch. I'm going to add a background video clip. This becomes our base layer on the timeline. The bar at the bottom shows how long this clip displays. Now I'll add text, something like, "Welcome to class." Notice two things. It appears at the top of the video, that's the visual layer. It also has its own bar on the timeline, and that's the time layer. I can shorten this so it only shows for the first 3 seconds. I could also slide it so that the text appears later in the video. Now let's add audio, which is just another layer, like text or video. I'm going to choose background music from Canva's current collection. Now you can see we have multiple stacked layers: video on the bottom, text above it, and audio underneath everything else running across time. Now I'm going to line things up. I want the music to start exactly when the video begins. I can also trim the music so that it doesn't run longer than I need. Keep in mind, if you import a video onto a blank video canvas, it can have its own audio. You can still overlay music. Let's hit play and watch how everything works together, not just visually, but over time. What makes Canva Video powerful is this shift. You're no longer designing just a page, but rather you're directing a sequence. Our Canva Video series isn't done yet. Next time we're going to take a closer look at various other editing features in Canva Video. Stay tuned!